Hello and welcome to this episode of Digi Global Pan Vision. I'm Evelyn D'Souza here.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
Today's top story. D-Day on the threshold, Konkani set to enter Guinness Book of World Records. The news headline from the Middle East. Mangalorean couple die in a tragic road crash in Saudi Arabia. News headlines from Mangalore. Pune University awards doctorate to Father Richard Rego. And in our entertainment bash, we have a Goan song by Kepechi Kirna from the musical evening held at Kalangan, a dance from Music Masti 2007 held at Brahmawar, and a song with dance from Wilson Oliveira Silver Jubilee Night held at Brahmawar.
Apurva for Aptlab.
News in detail. Mansoban is all set to create a new record for the world's longest singing marathon by multiple singers. Konkani Nirantari, a 40-hour non-stop singing by 44 groups, a brainchild of Mansoban, has made all the Mangaloreans excited. Konkani singers of all ages and skills will start their singing marathon in the wee hours of Saturday, January 26th. The world record will be declared after Keith Pullen, an official nominated by the Guinness World Record, submits his report. Preparations are on at a brisk pace at Kalangan to break the existing world record of 36 hours, standing in the name of Comunidade Evangelica Luterana, Sao Paulo, Brazil. All the Konkani-speaking people spread across the globe are thrilled to know that an attempt will be made to find a place for their language in the Guinness Book of World Records on Saturday, January 26th and Sunday, January 27th at Kalangan near Shaktinagar, a small village in this port city. Konkani is one of the richest and ancient languages of India. Among the many beautiful cultures of India, Konkani culture is considered perhaps the most elusive one. People who speak this language are settled mainly in 4 states of India along the west coast: Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. Konkani language and culture has survived a turbulent history of many a migration, political oppression and cultural suppression. A good number of Konkani-speaking people are settled in the foreign countries too. Established in 1986, Mansoban in the past 21 years has organized many mega events, undertaken many rallies, established institutions in the promotion of Konkani language and culture. The world's first Baila show in 1988, Baila International in 1989, Mando Fest with 356 singers and 42 musicians in 1991, Purub, the first All India Konkani Cultural Fest in 1992, Sant, the first All India Konkani Cultural Fair and Exhibition in 1993, and 2 singing marathons for 12 hours in 1993 and 13 hours in 1995 are prominent among the numerous activities. Equally laudable are Bondi, a Konkani awareness rally for 75 days, covering 15,000 kilometers and performing 67 shows all over India in 1995. Divya Yatra, a fundraiser for 100 days covering 10,365 houses in 1997, and Mando Utsav, in which 954 singers sang into the Guinness Book in 2003. After toiling hard for the promotion of Konkani language and culture for so many years, now Mansoban is on its gigantic effort to make it to the Guinness World Records. As the D-Day approaches, 1,500 plus singers from Mangalore and the neighbouring Udupi and even from Mumbai and UAE are taking up rigorous practice sessions. The technical team has thronged Kalangan to avoid any technical snag. More than that, the brains behind this mammoth effort, Gurkar Eric Ozerio and Mansoban President Louis Pinto and his team is working hard for making their dream a reality. TV Digi World spoke to some of the eminent personalities to know their thoughts about this laudable effort of Mansobans. Eric's counterpart and Tulu Sahitya Academy President Sitaram Kulal appreciates Mansoban's aim to find a place in Guinness Book.
ಕೂಡ್ಲದಂಚಿನ ಒಂಜಿ ಊರುಡು ಇಂಚಿನ ಒಂಜಿ ಬಾರಿ 40 ಗಂಟೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮಲ್ಪನಿ ಎಂದುಕೊಂಡ ಗಿನ್ನಿಸ್ ದಾಖಲೆಯನ್ನು ಬ್ರೆಜಿಲ್ ದಾಖಲೆಯನ್ನು ಪೊಲಿಪೆರೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮೆಕ್ಕಲು ಮಲ್ತೊಂದಲ್ಲೇರು ನಿಜವಾದ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಸಾಹಸ ಅವಲ ಒಂಜಿ ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ಭಾಷೆ ಆ ಒಂಜಿ ಕರಾವಳಿ ಉಪ್ಪುನ ಒಂಜಿ ಭಾಷೆ ಆ ಭಾಷೆಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯ ಭಾಷೆ ಆ ಭಾಷೆಡ್ ಇಂಚಿನ ಒಂಜಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮಲ್ತದೆ ಬ್ರೆಜಿಲ್ದಂಚಿನ ಮಲ್ಲ ಊರು ದಾಖಲು ಮಲ್ತಿನಂಚಿನ ಒಂಜಿ ಗಿನ್ನಿಸ್ ದಾಖಲೆಯನ್ನು ಪೊಲಿಪುನಿಯಿಂದ ಬಂದ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷದ ವಿಷಯ.
Noted writer Mohammad Baddoor too endorses the view of Sitaram Kulal.
ಗಿನ್ನೆಸ್ ದಾಖಲೆಯತ್ತ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ನೆಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ನಿರಂತರಿ ಮಾಂಟ್ ಸೋಬಾನ್ರವರಿಂದ ಇದೊಂದು ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ದಾಖಲೆಯತ್ತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕುತೂಹಲ ಮೂಡಿಸಿದೆ. ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ಕಲಾವಿದರಿಂದ ನಿರಂತರಿ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ಖ್ಯಾತಿಯನ್ನು ತರಲಿ ಎಂಬುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆಶಯ. ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ನಿರಂತರಿಯ ಧನ್ವಂತರಿ ಅರಿಕೋಜಾರಿಯೋ, ಅವರು ಸಂಗೀತದ ಧನ್ವಂತರಿ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಶುಭಾಶಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಆ ಒಂದು ಮಹತ್ವದ ದಾಖಲೆಯತ್ತ ನಾವು ಕುತೂಹಲದಿಂದ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
Corporator Mariamma Thomas expressed happiness over organizing Konkani Nirantari.
40 ಗಂಟೆಗಳ ನಡೆಯುವ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ಗಾಯನದಲ್ಲಿ 1,500 ಜನಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗಾಯಕರು ಗಾಯನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಏನು ಈ ದಾಖಲೆ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ಭಾಷೆ ವಿಶ್ವದ ಮೂಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಹೆಸರು ಗಳಿಸುವಂತಾಗಲಿ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಗಾಯಕರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರ ಹೆಸರು ವಿಶ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ದಾಖಲಾಗುವಂತಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹಾರೈಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
Father Muller Charitable Institutions Administrator Father Dennis Dessa too wished the team Konkani Nirantari all the best in its effort.
Those who dream big make a difference, and we have an organization in this part of the world who always thinks the other way and dreams big, and that's why they make a difference. Yes, I am referring to the organization Mansuban, and this organization and those who are associated with this organization like Mr. Eric Oserio, Mr. Luis J. Pinto, and all the office bearers of this organization have always made a difference in our society because of the quality program and unique programs. This organization is going to realize a great dream of theirs, that is Konkani Nirantari. And this organization is going to seek a place in the Guinness Book of World Records. This is a great moment, a proud moment for all of us. I wish all the teams and this organization all the very best. Now together with this, they are going to achieve 3 goals, I feel. First of all, they are going to spread the fragrance of Konkani all over the world. Secondly, they are going to give a glimpse of our culture, of our language, of our music to people all over the world. And third, and the very important goal of this program is the unity of all the people of this community. Music unites, fine arts unite people. Where we are in a world where people are divided on the basis of language, culture, religion, this is a great act of Mansuban to bring people together, and this is a great message itself. I wish all the singers, all those who are participating in this, all the very best and good luck.
A couple hailing from Bachpe, Mangalore met with a fatal accident which occurred on Thursday, January 24th morning near Anak area, which is around 100 km from Medina in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Zakir Hussain is the elder son of Abu Bakr and Khadija couple from Bachpe. He had been in the kingdom since 16 years, working in a general services establishment, and was popular within the Mangalore community. He married Farzana, the daughter of Guttu Muhammad from Jokate, a social worker and political figure in the region, some 5 years back. 38-year-old Zakir Hussain and his wife Farzana were the victims of this ghastly accident. Riaz, who was driving the ill-fated car and a friend of the deceased, survived, having sustained multiple injuries on his head and other parts of the body. The victims were travelling towards Holy Makkah for performing Umrah, one of the sacred and highly valued rituals in Islam. It is reported from a reliable source that the driver lost his control over the car while driving when the car overturned and the couple were thrown out and died an instant death. Father Richard Rego, head of the Department of Journalism in St. Aloysius College, who is actively engaged in research on media and culture, has been awarded doctorate by Pune University. Richard Rego is also the first lecturer from an undergraduate college under the Mangalore University to receive a University Grants Commission's major research project in 2006. St. Aloysius College, head of the Department of Journalism, Father Richard Rego was awarded doctoral degree by the University of Pune on Thursday, January 24th. Father Richard Rego, who teaches journalism and mass communication at St. Aloysius College in Mangalore, did his doctoral thesis on themes, concerns and values in the films of Girish Kasaravalli under the guidance of Professor P.N. Pranjape, retired professor at the Department of Mass Communication, Pune. So that's all we have from our news desk today. Still ahead on the show are the songs from Kepechi Kirna and a lot more entertainment programs. I'll be right back after this short break, so stay tuned.
ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಅಗತ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಸರೆ ಮನೆ. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸಿನ ಹಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹುಡುಕಾಟವೇ? ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನನಸಾಗಿಸುವ ವಸತಿ ಗೃಹಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿವೆ.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನೆ ಬಾಲ್ಯದ ಕನಸಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅಪೂರ್ವದಿಂದ ನನಸಾಗಿದೆ.
ಆಶೀಶ್, ಅಪೂರ್ವ, ಅಭಿನವ್, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್, ಅಮೃತ ಇವುಗಳ ಸಾಲಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇರಿದೆ ಅನನ್ಯ, ಅದ್ವೈತ್.
Mansaban presents Konkani Nirantari, world's longest singing marathon by multiple singers. 44 groups, 1,500 plus singers with 600 plus Konkani songs. 40 hours non-stop singing from 6 a.m. January 26th to 10 p.m. January 27th for a place in the Guinness World Records at Kalangan, Makale, Shaktinagar, Mangalore. You've got to be there to witness Konkani's moment of glory.